Hello guys, welcome again. First, to use turtle, we will import. Actually, from turtle, we will import turtle and screen first. After that, we make an object. For example, T will be turtle. And now we created an turtle object here. But when we run, there is a page and it's like flash and it closed. To make this screen always open, we will use this screen object. For example, screen is screen here, and then screen is another object, and we will use a method exit on click. When I run now, as you can see, it's not closing, and when I click on the screen here, exit on click, we use this method. When I click on the screen, and then the screen will close. Okay, now let me run again. Here, as you can see, there is an arrow shape. We can change that shape. How can we do that? Here T is our object, T dot, here shape, and inside shape we will write, for example, we can use turtle, and we will use write as string, and then let me run again. Here, as you can see, it is turtle, and now it's black. We can also change its color, T dot, here color, and color also we can type as a string. For example, we can type red. Let me run again. Here, if we write blue, it will become blue, as you can see here. And then we can move this turtle, and when we move, the turtle will draw a line. For example, T forward means now our object, our turtle, will go forward. How many pace we will decide here. For example, if I type 100, you will see it goes 100 pace. If I write 200, it will go longer. 300, much longer, as you see. And then, for example, first 100 it goes, and we can change its color. Sorry, not color, its direction. For that, after dot, we are, if you want to turn right, we will type right here, and inside right we will type the angle, and then here the turtle will goes 100 space forward, and then turn right 90 degree, and then we can go 100 pace, as you can see here, right. And here also we can change the direction. These are the most simple basic things, and in next video we will start to draw simple shapes. And if you have any question, guys, please ask me. See you next video. Bye bye.